Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Marshall speaker with your Android phone. So first of all, you have to click and hold this gold button, wait until indicators turns on, and then you have to use this Bluetooth button. You have to click and hold it. As you can see right now, it is blinking, so it means that we are in the pairing mode. And we got this quick connection, but I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. So just go to the connected devices, click to pair new device, and select your Willen speaker. Accept the pairing. Right now we are successfully connected, and next you have to open the Play Store. You have to type Marshall. Let's get this one, the Marshall Bluetooth. Click right here, then click next. We can add our email to get some information. We can also skip this one to share the data. Accept all this permissions that will pop on your screen. And right now we have to accept to pair our speaker, accept the pairing. And as you can see right now, we are in the application, so we can click to get started. And here we are. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.